welcome back. Today I'm doing May's MyGeekBox, which, as you can see, has a little hole in it. I picked it up off my porch like that, so hopefully nothing inside is broken or damaged. I think it's either the end of May or the beginning of June they finally charged me for it. They did send out like a mass email like apologizing for the delay, and then they sent me, like automatically their shipping information, and then it, got here like a week and a half to 2 weeks later, so it wasn't too bad. I definitely still think it's a lot nicer than Lootcrate's. My May Lootcrate still hasn't shipped yet. I did pay it. It was supposed to ship between the 17th and the 24th. It's still telling me that because today is the 24th, but it's still not marked as shipped. So I'm going to assume that it's probably going to be a little bit later than that as well. But I'll just keep an eye out for it. So I finally got May's, my MyGeekBox though, so we're going to open that today. And hopefully their June one will be a little bit more on time, but if they're a little bit behind, that's okay too, because like I said, I think it was only a couple weeks anyway, so it wasn't like that big of a deal. Alright. Yeah, I'm already liking this. Like, I'm super excited. I wasn't even frustrated with the fact that they were late as much as I was like, oh, but I really want it. Like, send it to me. And I can already see there's a ton of stuff in here again, so like, I'm already super excited. Okay, so we have a Mega Man mini-series. This is Kid Robot, Capcom. Let's see what we got. There are quite a few options. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 regular ones, and then some kind of mystery one. And I can't even see what that one is because it's in the way. Let's see what we got though. Oh, it came with something else. Ooh, it came with a keycap too. And these look to be our options for that. I don't even have any keys. It's just my house one. Let's see, we'll open that one first then. Oh, how cute. I got a little cupcake. Cupcake. I'll have to see if it'll fit on my house key, because they're really cute. Alright, back to the Mega Man. Ooh, I got a red version of him. Yeah, he's pretty cute. I think I would have liked the original, like, blue version of him. Says I had a 1 in 20 chance of getting that one. So here. So that's cool. I really only know him as the blue one from one of the original video games I used to play as a kid. But he can go in my collection. Oh, and we got a pop figure. And we got DC Comics Bombshells, and I got Harley Quinn. Isn't she cute? I know a lot of people have like an issue with the way she was portrayed in the newer versions. Suicide Squad, but I think the box itself looks really nice. There was Harley Quinn, Wonder Woman, Batgirl, Katana, or the Joker with kisses. And out of those ones, I'm okay with Harley Quinn. Like, I would have like Katana or Batgirl as well. Not that I don't like Wonder Woman or, no offense to the Joker with the kisses on him, but I think Harley Quinn is good for me. And she'll fit in really nice with Deadpool over there. Okay, let's see. Hashtag no lives. Oh, no lives matter. That's Cthulhu. That's actually pretty cute. I actually really like that. Oh, this is Cthulhu for President at the bottom. Oh no, this is the cutest shirt. I wasn't super thrilled about this one only because I don't really play it and I don't like how bright the color is, but I love black shirts and this is adorable. And I'm going to be wearing this a lot. Oh, Jesus Christ, what is this? Star Trek Graphic Novel Collection Countdown. Ooh, Volume 1. So, big thing. Here we go. Volume 1 of Star Trek, the Graphic Novel Collection. Well, Star Trek Countdown. Ugh. I'm excited. I haven't actually ever seen or read any Star Trek, so like, that'll be good for me. I just picked up some Deadpool comics too, so like, this will be a nice reading time. And I got Volume 2. Oh, I guess it's the same thing. Is this one just called Countdown, and then this one's Harlan Ellison's The City on the Edge of Forever. I guess. Unless it's like Volume 1 and Volume 2 of two different things. So I'm assuming it's the same one, but this one's a lot thicker too. Or it feels thicker. I guess it's the same. Well, that's really cool. Like, now I'm going to have a lot to do. So, like, that's really interesting. And again, this is only my second box, and I am over the moon with the products that are in it. They don't have as much of a theme. I mean, this is more comic books theme. The last one had, yeah, Game of Thrones mug and the Game of Thrones notebook, and it had this t-shirt, which is from the video game, and then it had a video game and another video game mug. So they were doing like video games and Game of Thrones, I guess, because I had a USB drive too for Game of Thrones. So video games and TV shows. And then this one's more like comic stuff. Like I got the graphic novel from Star Trek, the Mega Man figurine, the Harley Quinn pop thing, and then the cute little extra keyring. And the shirt, which, oh my god. Like I said, I love it. So I'm definitely a lot more impressed with MyGeekBox versus Lootcrate. And it might just be like Lootcrate's a little bit tried out. But I noticed on the MyGeekBox, and I saw it in the video later, like I didn't realize, that the USB drive that I got, on the back of it said Lootcrate exclusive, even though I got it from MyGeekBox. So I'm assuming they actually get a lot of their stuff left over from whatever Lootcrate ordered. They probably like, oh, we ordered too many of them, and then they get a discount on it. And actually, I'm super okay with that. But I think Lootcrate's a little bit, like I said, a little bit played out. They're doing a lot more like smaller items. They have either the pop figure. Last time, like I said, I just got 2 of the comic stands, and I don't really care for those. I would much rather the pop figures. And you still get the t-shirt, which last sorry, which last time was really cute. It's a Jurassic Park one, although I don't like the blue still. And then I got a bunch of smaller items, part of which I'm never going to use. I actually gave away the Red Bull because I'm never going to drink it, and the shooting range poster things to one of my friends. So I am not even going to keep those. I may not keep the comic art either from Godzilla. I just haven't found somebody who wants it yet. I will. I'm still looking forward to the coin, and like I said, they haven't shipped yet, so but so far 2 boxes, MyGeekBox. I'm gonna keep this around. Like, I'm really enjoying it. I'm really excited for it to come in. I'm excited about all the stuff that's in it. This one was a little bit less than the last one, but I think it's more because like the graphic novels count, like it's a lot of money for them. I haven't read any Star Trek or seen it, like I said, so I'm not entirely sure if I'm into it. It's not a disappointment, it's just like, oh, that's new. So we'll see how it goes. If I don't like it, it still wouldn't be a disappointment because I tried it at least, and I can always, give them away to, I have a lot of geeky friends, so I can give them away to one of my friends instead. But I definitely like this a lot better. Like, if I had out of 5 stars, I would probably give them a 5. Some of their shipping can still get delayed and stuff, but that can be said for anything, so like, it's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna do at least 1 more box before I actually give my rate, but right now that's where I'm headed towards. I like to do at least the first 3 just to see. Like I said, I haven't been charged for June yet, but that's just because they just finished shipping May. So I got this at the last week of June. It's the 24th. I'd say the last Monday, but I think the last day, oh no, I think it's Sunday. Anyway, it's the last Monday of June. So they probably won't charge me again for at least another week for June's box, which makes sense. But I'll keep an eye on it and let you know how it's going. But so far, I'm definitely liking this a lot more than Lootcrate. Like, a lot more. I highly recommend this one. So much more over it. But I'll give both of my final ones on the last boxes. So Lootcrate has one more box coming in eventually. That'll be the third box, and so I'll give my full rate then. And then my next MyGeekBox is my third box as well, and I'll give my full rate then too. But just kind of how I'm going. We've got the coolest stuff from it though, like I'm really enjoying it, so I'm sorry I keep rambling about that. It's just, I really like it. Anyway, so I hope you liked the unboxing. I didn't have a lot of things to open this time, you know, like last time I should have taken the mugs out to show you like more in depth, and I was like, I'm gonna do that this time, but like I didn't really have anything to actually do that with since I got books, so I'll try again next time and see what comes in. And then I'll let you know how the books go if I get around reading them, the graphic novels, I mean, if I get around to reading them before I get my next box, I will also let you know about that. So yeah, thanks again for coming, hope you liked it, and I'll stop rambling now. Have a good day, bye!